Alright, this is going to be a review of lesson number 1. So what I'd like you to do is open up your Excel and this video and sort of follow it along. So what I want you to first of all take a look at is just review what we've looked at. Things like, going through all the different components, the Office button and the quick launch, the title. Familiarize yourself, make sure that you understand that with the ribbon, the group, and there will be a quiz at the end of this lesson that'll review all this type of thing. So what I want you to do is go in, open up a new workbook and type in this spreadsheet. Now I've also attached in the missmoodle.com website is a PDF file with this. So what you can do is just print that off or look at it in the PDF file and type out all of that text. So you'll have different types of labels and values, and also I'd like you to try a formula. I'm going to show you again here how to do that. So I'm going to ask you to type in equals 3500 plus 1000, for example, and come up with those numbers. So it's just a matter of practicing entering in formulas for each of those as well. So I want you to get practice typing in labels and values and formulas. And when you're finished all of that, you'll get a sample of the PDF file, the output. Now when you're done the whole thing, what I'd like you to do is save this and upload it to the Moodle site, and I'll assign a mark for it. So to do that, what you want to do is go up into your button here and go down to where it says Save As. And from here you're just going to simply click on Save the Worksheet. And when you do that, you're going to save this worksheet, and we'll just call it Department Budget Student Version, or you can put your own name there. So type in whatever your name is. Let's say it's Bob, and put it, of course, file it in the proper folder. So I'm just gonna put mine in a folder here called Exercises, and I'll just save it there. And once it's saved, you're going to need to open up your Moodle program, and let me just size this in a little bit so we can see it. And what you're going to have here, let me just size a little bit more, is there's a feature inside of Moodle where you can click on and open up and submit your assignment. So if you click on the Department Budget exercise, that's the one that we just did right now, and you click on that, there's an option to submit it, and there's a button here to browse in, and you're gonna have to know how to do a little bit of file management for this course, but you click on the browse button and that'll take you hopefully to the exercise folder, and there it is right here. It's called Department Bob, and then click on open. When you do that, you can upload that. When you do, that's going to upload it as an XLSX file, because that's what Microsoft saves their files as in 2007, 2010. You can see down here at the bottom here, let me just move the screen over a little bit. You can see here that it saves it as a XLSX file. And the old 2003 and earlier versions of Excel were just XLS. They've added the X now. And once you've typed that in, you can go ahead and click Send for marking. And that's worth 5% of the mark. And of course, one more final. What will happen is I'll have a look at that and see how close you got to duplicating the exercise, and then I will assess a mark for it, and you can go in and check your marks inside the Miss Moodle website. Alright, so I hope that's clear, and you can go through these videos as many times as you want. There is a quiz also in here that you can take, and there's 22 marks, I believe. I think there's 11 questions, and you've got most of this material that's in the quiz were covered in the videos. So I think there's a couple of small features that might not have been, but send me your comments and thoughts about lesson 1, and I will respond to them as soon as I can. Alright, well, thanks very much, and we'll see you in lesson 2.